So we're gonna highlight this street, and we're basically just gonna go straight down that way, and we're also gonna check and see what all these lines are. I think they're related to K-pop, but there's a ton of people, and I think they're going to Dino's. So we're gonna go check that out and see where they're all going as well. But anyways, we're on this particular street, and we're gonna take it all in.
Walking Macau Streets, so many people. It must have been a K-pop event. They love Dino burgers.
2024. Let's check out Macau. Come on. Okay, so that's going to be our starting point. Let's just kind of walk through here a little bit. We'll just kind of give you a little bit of context to where we are. So we're in this little space with a ton of people. They have there's a big event today, so there's a lot of people everywhere today. So let's walk over on this other side. I think they're getting Dino photos. So I think that they're getting Dino. Let's go across and see. So let's take a look at this line. We're gonna go, oh okay, there's an event here. So there's one thing here, cup of coffee. So I think cup of coffee, and then maybe this one right here too. So I think they're all in line for Dino's. Let's go down a little bit further and take a look. See, I think we're seeing like Dino fans. Let's just go around like this. And we're just gonna try to capture this street. We're gonna go down and look through all the crowds. But I want to start over here first. And you can just see the policemen are over there directing traffic. There's a new restaurant over there. I was gonna highlight that, the red one, the hot pot. And now we'll walk down our Target Street and we'll try to see, I think they're all in line for Dino's. So it must be related to the K-pop event that's today. There was one yesterday, I think there's one today, and one tomorrow as well. So we have,
oh my god.
Yeah, it's like, I think it's Dino's. Yeah, I think it's all because of Dino's. So I think these are all K-pop fans for Dino's. Let's go down this way and take a look. We'll go across. So I think that it's all, yeah, okay. So I think it's all because of Dino's and the K-pop event. And there's more all the way down. Oh, this line is long, okay. So yeah, the line starts way around the corner. And I think it's all for Dino's. We'll go down further. Let me see. So we got a very, very long line. Wow. That's crazy. So the line goes all the way down. Wow, still going. Okay. Wow. So that line goes all the way down here. And there's still people coming in line too. Huh, okay, let's go back this way. Try to capture how long this line is from another vantage point, which would be across the street. The bus is kind of blocking it, but the line is massive.
Yeah, it depends how hungry you are.
So yeah, you can barely see with the traffic. There's a lot of traffic and that line is long. But let's just walk up a little bit up here. And we'll just try to get you another idea of how long that line is. So we got people everywhere in here on our target street as well. So yeah, one giant event, and it goes all the way to Dino's. So I think that they're all waiting in line at that spot. So it goes all the way down from there, all the way down to there. Okay. I don't know why that is. I don't know what it's... Because the Dino's restaurant, a lot of people are taking pictures with the hamburger as well. And the hamburger is not really that great. So, but anyways, let's go down this way. The line goes all the way down. So we're gonna walk even further down, try to get some context to the street. So the street has a lot of fans walking everywhere, I guess is the best way to say it. And you got more Dino's. So Dino's is the attraction, I guess. Then we have another hamburger place here. I think this one is not as busy today. Okay, so let's just keep on going down our target street. So yeah, today the streets are a little bit different because of these events. But usually I'd focus on the temples. And this giant wall right over here. So this is called the Firecracker Museum. Hello. So the Firecracker Museum is on the other side of this wall. And this wall leads all the way down into Taipa village. So we're gonna walk a little bit in that direction today. But our wall will end shortly. Our target street is still the same. Ferna, Mendes, Pinto. And we'll just go a little bit further until we can conclude with our video. We're gonna walk all the way to the bus stop there. And that's the Firecracker Museum right there. So I think what I'm gonna do is we're gonna walk across the street, get into the shade a little bit. I'm just gonna go around the edge here, and that'll be the end of our street. He's named after a writer, and then it changes into that street right there. Just to give you a little bit of a context, there's a Firecracker Museum, and Taipa Village is straight ahead. So Taipa Village is straight ahead, and over here is the Taipa Firecracker Museum. Right in there. Right there. So this museum will have all these different houses in this space, and that's kind of at the end of our target street, which is for now Mendes, Pinto. named after a writer from Portugal. And we're gonna come to conclusion. Yeah, the person who's this street is named after has two streets in Macau. One is called Hua Day, and the other one is Hua without the day. Right there. And we are going to end our video on this nice January day, walking along the firecracker factory, starting at that Dino's restaurant, which was all the rage and all the popularity today. Okay. And I think I'm gonna just come up real quick to a park, which will end at and then that's going to be the ending of this one. A lot of people here today because of this big event. And I was going to come around to this park real quick too. So there's a really nice park right on the street too. So you got the Firecracker Museum, you have Taipa Village down that way, you have a place to hang out right here, and then it leads into this kind of busy street today. And I think I'm gonna just walk back down it. We'll walk back down it and then we're gonna end this video. So kind of an interesting street, and today in particular there's more activity than usual. So let's walk on down. Let's see, gonna walk. The line goes all the way down. So yeah, big K-pop event. Every time they see a K-pop bus, and then it's all to that spot. So we're going to try to go across the street, which is going to be over here. Try to go across there. And we'll come back over here. So that's our spot today that we're at. So very busy street today. So we're gonna end it right there. 2024. Let's check out Macau. Come on.